Good morning, students. We are studying aromatic nitro compounds. We already studied the synthesis and reduction reactions of the nitrobenzene. Now we will study the electrophilic substitution reactions and the nucleophilic substitution reaction of nitrobenzene. The reactivity of electrophilic substitution reaction in nitrobenzene is less due to the presence of the deactivating nitro group. The nitro group is electron withdrawing group. It has -I effect which decreases the electron density on the benzene ring. Also with -I effect, it also has minus mesomeric effect, that is it easily ionized, and due to the ionization the nitrogen has a positive charge which is undergoes resonance with the benzene ring, and the benzene ring has positive charge at the ortho and para position. So the -I effect, in which benzene ring has positive charge at ortho and para position, it deactivates the benzene ring for the electrophilic substitution reactions. But in nitrobenzene, as compared to the ortho and para position, the electron density at meta position is more. So the electrophile can attack at meta position in nitrobenzene, or we can say that the nitrobenzene is meta directing for the electrophilic substitution reactions. The electrophilic substitution reaction of nitrobenzene are nitration, sulfonation and halogenation. In nitration reaction, nitrobenzene react with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and it gives the meta substituted compound, that is meta dinitrobenzene is formed. In sulfonation, the nitrobenzene react with sulfuric acid and it gives the meta nitrobenzene sulfonalic acid. With halogenation, it reacts with chlorine in the presence of catalyst aluminum chloride and it gives the meta chloronitrobenzene. So all the electrophilic substituted product are the meta product. The nitrobenzene does not give Friedel-Crafts reaction. The reaction becomes more easy. The electrophilic substitution reaction in nitrobenzene becomes more easy if active group like alkyl, oxyalkyl are present on the benzene ring. For example, if there is nitrotoluene, then it undergoes nitration to give the dinitrotoluene, that is 2,6-dinitrotoluene or 2,4-dinitrotoluene can form with ease as compared to the nitrobenzene, because the alkyl group increases the electrophilic substitution by the presence of this plus I or the active group. So this is all about the electrophilic substitution reaction of nitrobenzene. The next is nucleophilic substitution reaction of benzene ring in aromatic nitro compound. We have seen that in nitrobenzene, due to the -I effect, the ortho and para position has a partial positive charge, and a nucleophile can easily attack at ortho and para position, or we can say that nitro group is ortho and para directing for the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Here see, this is the nitrobenzene. This undergoes mesomeric effect. The nitrogen has a positive charge which shifted from nitrogen to the aromatic ring. It comes from ortho to the para position and stabilize the positive charge by these resonating structure. Finally, a nucleophile can attack at ortho or at a para position. If we attack at an ortho position, then the minus charge come at the third carbon, third to fifth, fifth to first, and finally give this stable ionized species, and then it eliminate hydride ion to give the ortho nucleophilic substituted compound. Similarly, it can attack at the para position and it gives the para-nucleophilic substituted compound. The reactions, the nucleophilic reactions of nitrobenzene are: it can react with hydroxide ion, sodium methoxide, or ammonia. If it reacts with hydroxide ion, then it gives the orthonitrophenol or paranitrophenol. With sodium methoxide ion, the orthonitrophenitol or paranitrophenitol are formed, and with ammonia in the presence of alcohol, it again gives the orthonitroaniline and paranitrophenylene. So these are the nucleophilic substituted product of the nitrobenzene. We have seen the mechanism, but again if the hydroxide ion attack on nitrobenzene, then it can attack at ortho or para position. If it attack at ortho position, then this species is formed, ionic species. The negative charge shifted from third to fourth, fourth to first, and first to the oxygen, which stabilize this ion, and it eliminate hydride ion to give the orthonitrophenol. So this is all about the properties of nitrobenzene. The uses: nitrobenzene is used for the synthesis of aniline, benzidine, etc. It is a good solvent for the Friedel and Crafts reaction, and it has a use for the pleasant flavor in soap, shoe polish, etc. Thank you.